Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You must start by confirming critical prerequisites and taking immediate action. First, make sure the video is vertical 9, 16 and under 60 seconds. This ensures Shorts distribution. Next, set visibility to public and add a concise keyword title and tags so the algorithm can find it. Then choose a thumbnail frame with a strong visual hook in the first 2 seconds. Once done, save and recheck metadata to avoid accidental private or unlisted status before moving on. Now focus on content execution and data-driven tweaks. You should hook viewers in the first 1 to 3 seconds and deliver a clear payoff by about 15 seconds to boost retention signals. Add captions, normalize audio, and use punchy jump cuts of 3 to 6 seconds to maintain tempo. Once uploaded, monitor YouTube Studio retention graphs, CTR, and rewatch spikes. These metrics tell you what to iterate. If retention drops early, trim or rearrange content and re-upload a revised short. Finish by amplifying and troubleshooting methodically. You should share the short across your channels, stories, community posts, and social platforms, and pin or feature the clip to generate initial traction. Conduct a /B tests changing only one variable at a time. Try a new title, first frame hook, or hashtag set to see what moves the needle. If you still see 0 views, duplicate the short with small edits and reset visibility after 24 hours. This often clears distribution glitches. One key tip: clear cached app data or root-load from a different device if problems continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.